In today's video, we're exploring the top 12 most potent medicinal herbs for common ailments and everyday health and wellness that you need to know about. These herbs aren't just potent, they're your allies against daily health issues and minor injuries. Whether you're an outdoor herb enthusiast, a parent, or simply someone interested in alternative remedies, this video will equip you with the knowledge to create your own herbal kit. Herbalism, also known as herbal medicine, is the traditional practice of using plant-derived substances to support health and healing. The use of herbal remedies has been around since ancient times, and many people throughout history have used herbal remedies for a variety of ailments. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I have a bonus herb with unique properties for your lungs and overall health. Natural remedies are Mother Nature's little miracles that offer many advantages. First and foremost, they're gentle on your body, often causing fewer side effects than their synthetic counterparts. In addition, they're typically more affordable and readily available, making them a wallet-friendly choice. But what truly sets natural remedies apart is their holistic approach to health. They don't just alleviate symptoms, they work to address the root causes of your discomfort. So, let's dive into the star players of our herbal kit and imagine having a magical collection of favorite herbs at your fingertips, ready to soothe and heal any common ailment or injury. Number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is your go-to for burns and skin irritations. It's like a soothing balm for your skin, providing instant relief, as it is well known for its soothing cooling properties. Aloe vera contains compounds that promote healing and reduce inflammation. The gel from aloe vera leaves is excellent for treating burns, including sunburns. It can also be applied to minor skin irritations to provide instant relief. Number 2. Calendula. It is often called a marigold, and it is your wound healing hero. It's gentle yet powerful, promoting speedy recovery for cuts and scrapes. Calendula has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, promoting rapid skin healing. Calendula is ideal for treating minor wounds like cuts and scrapes. We can use it as a salve, cream or infused oil to speed healing. Number 3. Lavender. If you're feeling stressed, lavender is your best aromatic herb and a friend for relaxation and stress relief. It is renowned for its calming and stress-relieving properties because its aromatic compounds have a soothing effect on the nervous system. One whiff of lavender and you'll feel the tension melt away. Lavender essential oil can be diffused for relaxation and stress relief, and its diluted oil can be applied topically to reduce tension headaches. Number 4. Echinacea. Boost your immune system with echinacea. Thanks to its immunostimulant properties, it's your trusty ally when cold and flu season hits and a powerful immune booster. It can enhance your body's defense against colds and flu. Echinacea supplements or tinctures are often taken to support the immune system during illness or as a preventive measure. Number 5. Peppermint. Have a tummy ache or a headache? Peppermint is a natural remedy that's as refreshing as it is effective in its ability to soothe the digestive system and alleviate headaches. It has both anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Peppermint tea can help with indigestion and upset stomach. Diluted peppermint essential oil can be applied topically to the temples for headache relief. Number 6. Yarrow. I have drank yarrow tea for many years for cold and flu symptoms, which is also excellent for treating hemorrhoids. It is a versatile herb with anti-inflammatory and diaphoretic properties, making it useful for fever reduction and symptom relief. Yarrow tea can help alleviate the symptoms of colds and the flu, thanks to its natural fever-reducing effects. It's also helpful in treating hemorrhoids when applied topically. Number 7. Chamomile. If you're feeling anxious, let the chamomile flower come to the rescue because it is the perfect cup of calm and relaxation. It is well known for its calming and anti-anxiety properties and a natural sedative with potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chamomile tea is a soothing remedy for anxiety and stress. It can also be consumed to aid with relaxation and sleep. Additionally, chamomile can be used topically for skin irritations. Write in the comments if you have ever used chamomile or any of these natural herbal remedies. Number 8, Ginger. Ginger is one of my favorite herbs, perfect for soothing nausea, indigestion, and motion sickness. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help with minor muscle pain and headaches. It can even help with morning sickness during pregnancy and general nausea. Ginger can be consumed as a tea, added to dishes, or taken in supplement form for digestive and anti-nausea benefits. For muscle pain or headaches, you can create a ginger-infused oil for topical application. Number 9, Arnica. Arnica is an excellent medicinal herb that relieves pain and inflammation associated with bruises, sprains, and muscle strains. It is a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever, often used in topical creams, gels and ointments. Gently apply it to the affected areas to speed up the healing process and reduce discomfort. Number 10, Comfrey. Comfrey, also known as knit bone, is renowned for its remarkable ability to promote wound healing and reduce inflammation. It can be used topically for minor cuts, burns and bruises because it contains compounds that promote tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Comfrey is often used as a poultice or in salves. Apply it topically to minor cuts, burns and bruises to accelerate healing. It can also help alleviate skin irritations. Number 11, Thyme. Thyme has natural antiseptic properties and can be used in throat lozenges or as a tea to soothe sore throats and respiratory issues like coughs and congestion. You can prepare thyme tea by steeping fresh or dried thyme leaves in hot water. This soothing tea can help alleviate throat discomfort and respiratory congestion. Thyme can also be used in throat lozenges or added to steam inhalation for respiratory relief. Number 12, Chickweed. Chickweed is a versatile herb that alleviates skin irritations, such as itching, rashes, and insect bites. Chickweed can be used topically by creating a chickweed-infused oil or healing salve. Apply it to the affected area to soothe itching and reduce inflammation. It is also an excellent natural remedy for skin irritations. Using medicinal herbs and herbal remedies safely is paramount to their effectiveness and well-being. However, there are some essential safety guidelines to keep in mind. Always follow the recommended dosages provided with commercial herbal products, or consult a reputable source for dosage guidelines when preparing your own remedies. Overuse or misuse of herbs can have adverse effects. Be aware of any allergies to specific herbs you or your family members may have. If you're unsure, it is wise to test it in your hand before using any herbal remedy. Some herbs can affect children and those who are pregnant or breastfeeding differently, so it is crucial to research their safety in these specific situations. When in doubt, consult a healthcare provider. Be aware of potential interactions between herbs and medications you may be taking. Always consult a healthcare professional if you're on medication and considering herbal remedies. Remember that individual responses to herbs can vary, so starting with small doses and monitoring your body's reactions is essential. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and seek medical advice immediately. While herbal remedies are powerful tools for managing common ailments, it is crucial to remember that they have limits. Sometimes professional medical help is not just a good idea, it's essential. Don't hesitate to contact a healthcare professional if an ailment or injury is severe, persistent, or if you are unsure about its cause or treatment. The bonus medicinal plant I mentioned is oregano, because according to 2002 studies, it has 42 times more antioxidant activity than apples, 30 times more than potatoes, 12 times more than oranges, and 4 times more than blueberries. It can also help fight and eliminate viruses, pathogens, and bacteria. In this video, you can discover the crucial oregano's healing properties and health benefits, and learn what will happen to your body if you eat oregano or drink oregano oil and tea. I wish you to always be well and have a beautiful day.